Galaxy Note 20, the ultimate tool for getting things done. Hi, I'm Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest and the greatest in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative tech content. The Galaxy Note 20 boasts a massive 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. The screen is not only large but also offers vibrant colors, sharp details, and an incredible level of contrast, ensuring an immersive visual experience. Now, let's talk about the standout features of the Note series, the S Pen. The S Pen on the Galaxy Note 20 has been enhanced with even more functionality. With the S Pen, you can take notes, sketch, navigate your device, and unleash your creativity like never before. Under the hood, the Galaxy Note 20 is powered by the mighty Exynos 990 paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and seamless performance even with demanding apps and games. Whether you are editing videos, playing graphic intensive games, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the Note 20 can handle it all. Now, moving on to the camera department. The Galaxy Note 20 features a triple camera setup including a 12 megapixel primary camera, a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. The Galaxy Note 20 excels in capturing stunning photos and videos. These cameras work together to deliver exceptional image quality whether you are shooting in broad daylight or low light environments. Additionally, the Galaxy 20 offers a wide range of shooting modes, including the Pro mode, night mode, and a super slow mode, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capture moments like a pro. Powering the Galaxy Note 20 is a 4300 mAh battery, ensuring all day of usage on a single charge. Additionally, it supports fast charging, both wired and wireless, so you can top up your device quickly and get back to being productive. And that concludes our overview of the Samsung Galaxy S20. With its stunning display, enhanced S Pen functionality, powerful performance, versatile camera setup, and long-lasting battery life, the Note 20 is truly a good choice. So, if you are someone who values productivity and wants to elevate your smartphone experience to the next level, the Samsung Galaxy S20 is worth considering. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.